Welcome to Kabir Digital Skills. In today's video, we're going to talk about a software that is used all around the world, yes. Microsoft Word. This video is especially for those who are learning computers or want to improve their typing and documentation skills. Main content. What is MS Word? MS Word is a word processing software that allows us to write, edit, format, and print text. It is used for creating letters, resumes, reports, books, or any kind of document. Who created MS Word? MS Word was developed by Microsoft, one of the largest software companies in the world. It was first launched in 1983, and at that time, it was called Multi-Tool Word. When was MS Word launched? Microsoft Word was first released in 1983 for the Xenix operating system. Later, it was developed for Windows as well, and soon it spread across the globe. Today, MS Word is a part of Office 365 and is available for both Windows and Mac. Key features of MS Word: autocorrect, spell check, text formatting, insert pictures, tables, charts, page layout, mail merge, save as PDF, and much more. Tips and bonus info. The most popular versions of MS Word have been Word 2010 and Word 2016. Nowadays, people use MS Word 365 or MS Word 2019-2021, which are cloud-based and more powerful. Conclusion. So friends, this was a basic introduction to MS Word. If you want to learn MS Word completely, make sure to subscribe to our channel Kabir Digital Skills. In the next video, we'll learn how the MS Word interface works and how we can use it in our daily life. Call to action. Like this video. Comment and share your thoughts. Subscribe so you don't miss any future updates. Thank you.